All right, welcome to this video where I'm going to share a very embarrassing story about trading. So here it goes. All right, but that's coming. All right, but what I really want to teach you in this video is about focus. Okay, what do you need to focus on to become successful? Okay, I coach a lot of traders, I work with a lot of traders, and that's usually what I'm doing is I'm helping them with their actual focus and what are they truly putting their energy into, right? Where is their mindset? Okay? And what I can tell you is when you focus on making money, you don't make money. I know that's crazy, but you don't. And that's why we're all here. I've never met a trader who's like, "Yeah, I don't really care if I make money today." I mean, there's very few of those. All right? There's some that are just that stoic, who are just like, "Meh, I don't care." But that's usually somebody who's been in it so long, they know tomorrow or the next day or the next one of those days they're going to make good money. Okay? So, yeah, that does come in the future where you almost don't care. All right? I'm still at the point where I care. I care a lot. All right? And I really wished I had recorded myself doing this because it would have been in a very embarrassing video, but I would have posted it. I would have made myself post it and said, "Look at this fool. Look at how he trades." I might even have lost subscribers and been like, "Oh man, forget this guy. Run, run." All right. So let me tell you about getting funded with Top Step on this account. Okay. So here we are on the charts. So I had a pretty normal run. I would say June, July, August, September, even in October. October's been a little slow, but it's been profitable. So whatever, right? So things are pretty normal. Doesn't mean I pass every single combine I touch or anything like that, but I had done very, very, very well. And I've been very happy with the funded accounts I've gotten, and it's been fantastic. So, pretty normal run up. Had a small loss right here, but pretty much just, did good. I think I took a loss on this day, but ended up being profitable. So that was pretty normal. All right. So, what happened was, let me tell you what happened. So what happened is on the last day I was getting funded, I had I took just enough contracts that would get me funded. Okay, that would hit the goal, and I was like, perfect. So took the trade, put my stop loss where it's supposed to be, and during these times and this week and even that trade, I had the correct focus. I was focused on my higher time frame POIs. I was focused on time-based liquidity being swept. I was focused on drawing liquidity. Everything that's really important for day trading and for trading ICT concepts. In a sense, I was on point, right? It didn't mean I was like, every trade looked fantastic. Every trade was perfect. No, of course not. That's never going to happen. But overall, it was great. It was, I was doing fantastic. And the trade was fantastic. And so I get in and it runs up. It almost runs straight to my TP, like almost. I had it $100 over goal just to make sure I hit it, right? And it runs and it stops just a little short. And I'm like, oh, okay, okay, okay. I'm watching you. I'm watching you, Price. And then it starts to pull back a little bit. And I was like, well, I'm in profit and I've hit my goal. Let me just close the trade. So I take the mouse, bring it over, and I was like, close the trade. All right. Well, what happened is purple candle showed up, which might be a red candle for you, but little purple candle showed up, whoop, and I missed the goal by $17. Okay, $17. I was like, oh, I was just like, almost like OCD. I'm like, oh, it's right there, like I gotta hit this goal today, and as you can see, that right there shifted my mindset. Okay. I went from paying attention and only taking good setups and following my trade plan and treating my trading as a business to, oh, I got to hit this goal. I have to hit this goal. I'm like $17. I was like, that's easy. I can make $17, no problem. Look, I just made $2,983. Easy. 17, nothing. Open a trade, risked $100 pretty much to make $17 because as soon as I would have hit 25 bucks, I would have closed it. Okay. Anybody who's been trading a long time, you don't risk $100 to make, 20 bucks, 50 bucks, $17. You don't do it. It's terrible. It's the worst R&R ever. Run straight to my TP. Bam. I'm like, okay. So now now I need $117. Again, that's easy. That's easy. Let me just make that money real quick. Watch this. Okay. up the ante a little bit because I got to make a little bit back. And I'm just looking for a small scalp. I'm just looking for a quick little scalp, man. I mean, I had just spent months doing well and whatever. Anyway, I think you know where this story's going. Straight to my TP. Or I'm sorry, stop loss. Bam, hit me. I'm like, oh, $200. $200 in the hole. Anyway, I go crazy. I start FOMOing left and right. Like I said, this would have been an embarrassing video. I'm pretty sure I was beat red in the face, was, like just clicking and going. Every time I click it, I mean, I felt like the market was like snipering me. Like, there he is, take me out. It was pretty funny. I mean, it is now, but it wasn't funny then. So about 10, 15 minutes go by and I'm just trying to scalp the 15-second, which usually I'm pretty good at if I need to. And anyway, just got wrecked. I mean, came down, almost hit the max loss for the day. And, it was the $800 loss. I was like, dude, this is just a nightmare, right? And so so I had to back off, right? And it's not like I was going to blow the combine, unless I left my focus in that, let me make money, because that's what I'm here for, is to make money. And that's all I need to do is make money. Now, if I'd left my focus there, I probably would have blown the combine. Excuse me. It would have been the next day, whatever. So anyway, it's pretty embarrassing, but it happened. No one was watching me, but here I am sharing it live on YouTube now. So anyway, I was able to gain control. I was able to come back to the charts and take the correct trade setup with, that follows my trade plan that I spent a lot of time building. And I was able to get the account funded. Okay, so needless to say, I work with a lot of traders. I do coaching for trading. I help people build trade plans. I help people build, psychology plans. I help people, understand how to treat trading as a business and how to be successful. It's what I do. And I do that because I don't know of any other traders that, struggled with every single aspect of trading but myself. Okay. And maybe that's because they haven't shared everything. But I feel like if you could do it wrong in day trading, I tried it. Like, I did everything wrong first until I finally became profitable and started doing it the right way. And it was just like, it was almost like I was Googling how to do it wrong. And let me try that. Well, how to do it wrong even more. Let me try that. And I had years of just struggling. So let me tell you what that did. It softened my heart for people who struggle. Okay. For real. All right. So I work in a couple Discords and I help people. And I'm just telling you, it's amazing to watch people go from boom and bust or not even having a clue what they're doing to being successful. Okay, so we do have a free Discord down below. You can join. I'll have, conversations with you, just, as far as encouragement, maybe point a few things out. But we do have a paid, mentorship program where you can come in and I'll help you build a trade plan. I'll teach you how to run your trading like a business. Of course, we will be talking psychology and obviously things about where your true focus is. But if you don't have any of that kind of stuff in place, please take a step back from the charts and get that stuff going. Everything I teach is ICT concepts. You can find that for free on YouTube without a problem. It's just in the Discord. I spend time with you and I actually help you build these things and help you get your focus correct. All right. So I hope this video was encouraging. And I hope this video just really finds people. I hope it touches people. It's not about joining our Discord. Yes, we offer a service and we do that. But if you can just learn to start monitoring your own focus, right? As soon as I said, I need to just make that money real fast. Let me hit that goal. Boom. It just went south. Okay. It is all about being an observer of the market, looking for high quality setups and, learning to be picky about that kind of stuff and not just jump into the trade because you feel like the market's going to move somewhere. There are times where I call the market. I'm like, I think we're going here. And I never take the trade because I don't get my entry models or I don't get, maybe we wick down too hard and we run up way too fast without any structure. And now my R&R is just trash. I'm like, yeah, probability we might be going there, but I'm going to have to risk like $600 to make like 1,000 or 1,100. And to me, I'm like, I'll wait for the trade that I can risk 200-300 and make 900 to 1,100 or something. Okay, things like that. So anyways, if you guys have any stories like this for yourself, I would love to hear one or two down below. And yeah, watch out for that FOMO and just stay strong. You can do this. And we'll see you in the next video.